Hey everyone, if you've been dealing with stubborn toenail fungus and are tired of products that overpromise and underdeliver, today's video is for you. We're reviewing the Lunavia Toenail Fungus pen. Is it the real deal or just another gimmick? Quick disclaimer, this review is based on my own research and public reviews. Let's start with what it claims to do. According to the Amazon listing, this pen uses 25% ondesalinic acid, which is known for fighting fungal growth. It's combined with a blend of botanical oils like tea tree, clove bud, jojoba, and lavender to support nail health and skin recovery. The design is also a major plus. Instead of messy creams, it's a precision pen that gives you targeted application. Just twist the base, apply it twice a day, and you're done. The formula is fast absorbing, so you don't have to worry about greasy feet or smelly residue. As of now, it's rated 4.5 stars from 84 reviews on Amazon. People are genuinely impressed. One user said it's the first product that actually worked after trying everything else. Others reported seeing results in just a few days: reduced yellowing, healthier growth, and smoother nails. One review even said, "I'm beyond impressed after 3 weeks and seeing healthy growth near the nail bed." Of course, not every review is glowing. A couple of people had trouble getting the pen to dispense. But after contacting customer support, the issue was resolved and they still reported seeing results. If you're looking for a no-fuss, plant-powered antifungal option, Lunavia's Toenail Fungus pen seems legit. It's affordable, well-reviewed, and comes with thoughtful packaging. It might not work overnight, but for many users, it's been a solid step toward healthier nails. Let me know in the comments if you've tried it or found something else that works. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.